dinner in Panama, and I will rate this restaurant a 10 out of 10. So this is La Tapa del Coco. Ambience 10 out of 10. We had drinks at first, and this was a sorrel. When last have you had some Jamaican sorrel? Okay, alright. And then we also had pina colada as well. And then it was dinner time. I will say the service was on point. Now that is oxtail spring rolls, oxtail, rice, plantain, and then a mixture of like fried rice, meat, shrimp, plantains, all in a bowl. Like, let me tell you, 10 out of 10. Like, the food was flavorful. It feels like it tasted like a Jamaican was in the back cooking that meal. The oxtail was slow cook. The oxtail and the spring rolls are soft, flavorful. It was definitely an African Caribbean fusion restaurant. My plate was cleared at the end of the night. Then we had a sweet treat, which was like chocolate, ice cream, and a little brittle type cookie on top. Lovely, lovely, lovely meal. Great company, good ambience. 10 out of 10. If I could grade or rate my favorite restaurant in Panama, it would definitely be La Tapa del Coco. Check it out when you return. Save this video. Catch me in the next video. I love you. And check out my YouTube channel. Bye. Mwah, 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 mwah.